I welcome you all. The topic discussed is orthographic projection. Projection plane. The plane surface on which the projection of object is obtained is called a projection plane. Suppose if you have an object, a point in space, the observer is viewing this point in space. A line is drawn to the projection plane and that line intersects the projection plane at a point A. This line is called as projector and this point is the projection of point A on the surface. Projector. The straight line from the object to the projection plane is called a projector. Projection. The point of intersection of this straight line with the surface is the projection of the point A on the projection plane. Now what is orthographic projection? If the projector is perpendicular to the projection plane, then such a projection is called an orthographic projection. You can see here the angle between the projector and the projection plane is 90 degrees. In such a case, the projection is called as orthographic projection. Planes of projection. The picture planes used for obtaining the orthographic projections are called the principal planes of projection or reference planes. Vertical plane. The plane in front of the observer is called the vertical plane. It is denoted by the letters VP. So here this yellow color plane is the vertical plane. It is in front of the observer. Horizontal plane. The horizontal plane which is perpendicular to the vertical plane is called the horizontal plane of projection. It is denoted by the letters HP. So here this blue color plane is the horizontal plane. This plane is perpendicular to the vertical plane. Planes of projection. Here the next term is reference line. The horizontal plane and vertical plane intersect at a common line XY. This line XY is known as the reference line. You can see here this line of intersection of VP and HP is called as reference line, denoted by XY in capital case letters. The four quadrants. If the planes of projections are extended beyond the line of intersection, they form four quadrants as shown in figure. The first quadrant, the space above HP and in front of VP is first quadrant. So here first quadrant is the space above HP and in front of VP. Second quadrant, the space above HP and behind VP is second quadrant. You can see here second quadrant is the space above HP and behind VP. Third quadrant, the space below HP and behind VP is third quadrant. You can see here the space now below HP and behind VP is third quadrant. Fourth quadrant, the space below HP and in front of VP is fourth quadrant. You can see here the area, the space below HP and in front of VP is the fourth quadrant. So you can keep the object in any of the four quadrants and see the front view and top view. So while drawing the front view and top view, we will be drawing the front view and top view of objects. Before drawing the objects, we must understand what is the projection of planes, because solids are bounded by planes. Again, before drawing the projection of planes, we must know the projection of lines, because again planes are bounded by lines. And before studying the projection of lines, we must know projection of points, because lines are continuous locus of points. So here we must study points initially, then study lines, then study the projection of planes. Lastly, we will be easily understanding and drawing the projections of solids. So here in orthographic projection, we will study first projection of points, projection of lines, projection of planes, and lastly projection of solids. Thank you. Wish you all the best.